Skill Benchmark Explained. Simplifying complex terms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, skill benchmark. This term is common in professional and educational contexts, and understanding it can really enhance your English proficiency. So, let's dive in. Skill benchmark refers to a standard or reference point against which skills can be measured or assessed. It's like a yardstick for gauging proficiency in a particular skill. For example, in language learning, a common benchmark might be the ability to hold a basic conversation fluently. Skill benchmarks are crucial because they provide a clear goal for learners and professionals. They help in identifying the level of proficiency required in a specific skill, which is particularly important in settings like job requirements or academic standards. Let's take real-life examples. In a workplace, a skill benchmark might be the ability to use a specific software proficiently. In sports, it could be running a certain distance within a set time. These benchmarks help in evaluating and comparing skills effectively. Now, let's practice using skill benchmark in sentences. The company set a new skill benchmark for its software engineers. Her fluency in French is above the skill benchmark for intermediate learners. And that's a wrap on skill benchmark. Understanding terms like this is a great way to boost your English learning journey. I hope this video has been helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in our next session. Happy learning!